Welcome back to SBK Loco.
Cùng chỉ thôi nào.
Today we are going to teach you the Titanic 3 different ways. First of all, let's start off with the basic Titanic. Handshake, ask on the top. Very important for the leaders. When we're doing a Titanic, we are not squeezing the hand like this. Because, for example, it's very difficult to turn the girl when you have your hand squeezed like this. Okay, a lot of beginners are using this, so they're really holding on to the girl. This one is going to rotate. You see how my hand is flat? It's going to have a rotation like this. This movement is being led by the bottom hand, so I'm going to send her here. The top hand is just maintaining the connection. And now I go down 1 and 5, 6, 7, for example. Okay, the first movement is going to be a full inside turn. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to connect her elbows. You can see her elbows are connected together. A lot of times leaders can be like this. Totally connect. Okay, on 5, I'm going to release on my 6. 6 and 7. Okay, watch that again. From this angle, 1, 2, 3. Full inside turn, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Don't rush this. 5, 6, 7. Okay, take your time. I'll show you that again. We go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. From here, you can do many things. Here, we can do many things. Okay? Okay, many things you can do. So let's try that one more time. I'll show you how you can be creative with this movement. For example, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. I can do many things like that if I want to do a turn by myself. Or I can just here, send her in, connect here. It's dancing, you should be creative, right? So we go over, boom, 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 ba, ba, ba. Okay? Now I can easily do this. Over the hand. Lead the 5 over, across. Okay, now we're going to do part 2. Part 2 is a little bit harder. We're going to go into a copa. So it's going to be a Titanic into a copa. Very difficult arm work, so you may have to watch this several times. Handshake, ask on the top. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the handwork is hard and the footwork is hard, so good luck. I'm going to go from one side of the rail. 1. When I step back 2, I'm going to lift my top hand up. This bottom hand is not going to do nothing yet. Till 3. Okay, now when I go for my 5, this is going to swing 5 over the head as she gets onto 7. This is going to lock to here. From here, we're going to open up for a copa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Crossing over. 5, 6, and 7. From here, I'm going to open up into a copa. 1, 2, 3. Connecting with the top hand. I'm going to lead the follower forward into an inside turn. 5, 6, 7, and 1. This footwork is very difficult because what's going to happen here is I'm going from here. 1, 2, 3. I'm crossing 5, 6, and 7. Now I'm going to copa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Watch how I'm on one side of the rail. As I cross, I'm going to the other side of the rail. Now I copa in and then lead for the turn. And 1. Okay? Just like that. When she's here, I'm going all the way from here to the other side before I go, boom, into a turn. I'll show you that one more time slowly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, copa, and 5, 6, 7, 1. 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, last one is going to be a Titanic into a wrap and walk. Wrap and walk. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Same thing. I'm going to hold her at the waist. Now I'm going to ask her to go back as I step forward. I'm going to cross to the other side. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to start walking behind the follower. Now I'm going to do a back step and lead it a turn. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Easier version, you can do a traveling walk. For example, here, send her down, hook, step, and back in for a turn again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, stop. Okay? Here, asking her to go back, cross the line. Boom, boom, ba. 5, 6, 7. Now, I want to remember you guys one thing here. Okay, what happens often when the leaders are doing this is they try to go over the girl's hand like this. Or they rushing to the, and it looks really ugly. Okay? I'll show you how to make it look beautiful. The way to make it beautiful, look beautiful and cleaner, and actually it's a lot faster. You just do one hand at a time. 1, 2, 3. So easy, like that. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to leave. 5, 6, 7, 1. So when you're doing handwork, okay, very important you focus one hand. Chilling. And by the way, we have a movie coming out, a full salsa romantic comedy starring this one right here and me. Okay. And it's going to come out on June 6th, okay? So be prepared for 1 hour of movie time. Okay, I hope that video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching SBK Local. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and tell me your favorite part.
Cảm ơn mọi người rất nhiều. Hy vọng mọi người có thể xem phim của Quỳnh và để bị nóng nhất.
What did you say? Okay.
Someone can understand.
Someone can, okay. Okay, thank you so much. See you soon.
It's not the universe that makes relationships hard these days.
Nó không đâu mà. I accept that about myself. You look cute. Drama.
So you went from one bad boy to another bad boy.
Someday you're gonna have a shit day.
Ơi, đúng quá.
And today's your shit day. Sorry.
Mày bao nhiêu tuổi rồi? Mày nghĩ là mày mới 25 à? 20 à?
Mẹ ơi, hiện tại con đang ở Đà Nẵng. Con chỉ muốn mẹ biết như vậy thôi. Con cúp ngay đây.
Thúy! Thúy!